What's up mga parts? Another day, another vlog. This is Benbong and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video mga parts, it's our day 3 but day 3.
It's second day.
But technically day 2 pa lang mga parts because we arrived late at night on our first day. Yesterday, we explored the temples. We had the temple run, the major temples in Bangkok. Also, we explored the night market. But parts, if you haven't watched that videos, please check that out in my YouTube channel. And for today's video mga parts, we are going to explore the Bangkok floating market. Siyempre mga parts, hindi makakompleto ang ating Bangkok trip kapag hindi natin na-experience ang floating market. But before anything else mga parts, we will be having our breakfast here at Kitchen Momo near our hotel in the Siam Shelter. Malapit lang to dito mga parts, and yun nga na review na banggit ko naman sa aking first vlog, where to stay in Bangkok. Yan, marami dito mga kainan, may 7-Eleven, and of course ito nga yung Kitchen Momo. So we will try also yung pad krapao, first time that we can try it. And after this one, we will be withdrawing again kasi kailangan ng cash dito mga parts sa Bangkok. And then after nun, we will go to the floating market, and abangan nyo yung mga parts because gusto namin puntahan lang yung malapit na floating market. Usually malalayo yung mga floating market outside Bangkok, but we have a limited time today. We woke up late, so yung malapit na lang. And after that, we will have we're going to Pratunam, and if we will still have time, we will going to Platinum Mall, and finally we will be experiencing the opulence luxury dinner cruise at night. So without further ado mga parts, let's go explore more Bangkok. Pero mga parts, walang coffee doon sa Kitchen Momo, and malapit lang dito sa Kitchen Momo, malapit din sa hotel, merong GU Cafe. So, bibili tayo dito ng ice na Americano. Let's go.
What ice latte?
So ito yung menu nila mga parts. Yung icon na cat, pero this is not a cat cafe. Akala ko initially it is a cat cafe, but hindi. Pero yung meron silang coffee over here. And yung price ranges from 85 to at least or max siguro mga 130, 140 baht. So yeah. Because we need some source of caffeine in the morning before we head on to our destination today. And there you go mga parts. This is beef? Pork. Pork. Ito yung pork. Pad krapao.
Doon sa
Papa?
may dala ko lang sa tulo. Yung bako nung sinot ko nung Pasko.
What's on your lips ba?
So mga parts, just like that, we are here now at Talingchan Floating Market. So around 30 minutes from Bangkok. We just ride the Grab because it's more practical. Yung binayaran namin is around 300 baht. So that is around 500 to 600. So ito na yung entrance mga parts. Marami na siyang mga mabibili. So hindi lang siya floating market. Madami kayong options. So kaya suggestion ko, ito na lang yung puntahan nyo. Kasi merong malaki na floating market. But it's very far. Yung biggest nila, it's very far. And yun nga, masyadong marami. I think ito, maliit lang siya. But all the things that you need are here. And very accessible from the city. So now, let's explore itong Talingchan Floating Market. Mga parts, ang dami nang mabibili. So, aside dun sa mismong floating market, ang dami. I like this one, oh. Plum. Meron din dito mga ulam. Ang daming saya. Oy, corn. 15 baht. Ito naman para mga dessert. Meron din mga elephant pants. Souvenirs. Chicken salad. O yung shrimp, French shrimp. O ano yun? By the way mga pards, it's a Sunday today. Kaya maganda ring mag-market. Ideally, Sunday. Kasi it's market day. So madami nagpupunta dun sa isang malaking floating market. Kaya dito na lang kayo mga pards. Ang lapit lang sa Bangkok. Uy, may ano, is it omelette? Omelette, crab omelette. Ayan mga pards. Hindi ko na masabi yung mga presyo ha, pero I think mas affordable din. Ay, ayun pala, yung sa night market, mas mura siya definitely. Yung dito sa mga floating market, medyo pricey siya. So, check nyo na lang yung presyo kung ano yung mas mura sa kanila. Yeah. Uy, watermelon, 30 baht. So fresh, looks so fresh. So ito na yung wrapped selling food or yung talagang mismong Talinchan floating market. So mga parts, may
110. You okay?
110? It's later than 1?
No, public.
A public, yeah, but it will start at 1.
And this one will start at 110.
Private. Private.
Okay, so
How
just a
much?
minute.
1,000, 1 to 4 person together.
1,000.
Yes.
Okay.
Are you accepting card?
Only cash.
Oh, gosh.
Cash, kuya may cash lang.
Meron pa ako 1,000.
Ano, private na lang tayo?
Wala na.
So, mga parts, may bayad yung floating market. 200, but that is public and may time. Yung private tour is 1 hour, 1,000 baht. Good for 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1, 1, and 1 to 6 person, it's 1,200 baht. So, yeah, we decided to have our private tour. Kasi times 200 times 3, 600, eh magdadagdag lang kami ng additional 400 baht. So, let's go for the private tour. Para makapag-gano din tayo. We manage our time kasi that is for 1 hour. So yun mga pards, it's time to go to the boat. So nagsuot na rin ako ng aking fisherman's hat kasi medyo mainit pa rin dito sa Bangkok. So yun mga pards, ready for your sunscreen and of course your sun protection. So now let's go to our private tour here or private boat here at the floating market in Talinchan. So, yeah. Siyempre yung mga pards, yung pagbili nyo ng mga doon sa market, separate pa yung payment noon. But our boat is 1,000 baht. Good for 4. We are 3 naman. So mga pards, eto na yung boat namin, ang aming private boat to the Talinchan floating market. So may time siya mga pards. Our timer is at 1:10. A little bit delayed because it's 1:21. But it's okay.
แกไอ้ตะปาต่อย3 คน
Let's go.
ไม่เป็นเรือปูเหลือนี่นะ
Hello guys. Yeah! Ayan, nakasakay na kami mga pards. And of course, safety first, we have to wear our life jacket.
I forgot.
Let's go! So mga parts, after ng around 15 to 20 minutes, medyo matagal. So to set your expectation from the port to the actual market, which I think ito na siya, mga 20 minutes. So yeah, yung total duration naman nung boat is 1 hour. So I think kasama talaga siya. But we're here. It's here. Ayan. So tingnan natin mga parts if you can buy some of the delicacies or what else can we check here in the floating village. So mga pards, bababa pala. Bababa pala kayo ng boat. Although maganda yung market dito. Ayan no, parang madami din naman. So let's go, let's check out what we can buy here in the Talensyang Floating Market. Or actually, market talaga siya kasi bababa talaga siya yung boat. So sabi ni Kuya, we have 20 minutes to explore this market. So, tingnan natin, baka may mga souvenirs or food. But to set your expectation mga parts, hindi talaga siya yung bibili kayo doon sa boat. So, honest review, no, parang medyo a little bit of a scam. Hindi naman siguro scam talaga kasi magbo-boat naman. But I was just expecting that you will be buying in the boat. Not like tour, going here to the market with the boat and then sasakay ulit ng boat.
Expectation versus reality.
Yeah, I already said. So, just to set your expectation, sabi ko nga, a little bit of a scam. Kasi, it's ay parang nakita ko yan sa TikTok. Ideally, hindi kayo bababa ng boat, but bumaba kami ng boat. But it's okay. At least nakita na rin namin yung how it is in the river. Yung surprisingly, na-amazed din ako dun sa how the people or the Thai people are living near the river. Ang daming mga residential area doon. So may live band din dito. Yeah, they also have dito mga painting. Yan, meron din yan sa Manila. Ice cream? Oh. That's cotton candy. Okay. And then, like that. Okay. So let's see what we can eat. Oh, parang Malaysian cuisine yun. And then we go to the other side. Here, ito yun, dito kami bumaba. This is papaya salad ata yun. Over here is, ano yung naamoy ko? Ano to? Pad Thai. Ito tofu. And the potato. Uy, peanuts. Mahilig ako sa peanuts. Is this garlicky? Are those garlic? No? Garlic, no? Uy, what's this? Oh, parang butchi. Taro feeling. Mung bean. Okay, sweet. And this, I think, is ice cream.
Coconut ice cream.
Ice cream, okay. On this side, uy, malaki pala siya mga parts. On this side, parang restaurant naman yung labanan, mga kainan. Ang bango ng Thai cuisine kasi very rich in spices din sila eh. Oh, may live hipon. May gumagawa dito ng, what's this? Stir-fried. Oyster omelette. Oy, meron ditong inasal. Siyempre may mga drinks. Also, ano ba hindi pa natin natitikman na Thai food? Aside from sa mga natikman natin. Over here, drinks. What's this? Oh, ano yun? Uy, fish. Ang sarap. There's another live band over here. May mga damit din. So, I think basically it dito sa side na to. Balik tayo din sa kabila. Meron pa dun eh. Mga parts meron pa rin dito. I think ito yung third section. So parang what I can say is ang laki din pala niya. May mga 3 section. This is what? Mamon? Uy! Ipon. This one. Oh, breads. Scallops. Uy, parang ano to? Yung empanada. Buko. Strawberries, persimmon. Fruits. Yeah, mga kainan here. Ang laki niya mga parts ah. Ay, must say, meron pa dito. Basically, a majority of them are food. So if you are going here, planning to go here, I suggest, huwag kayo kumain. Dito na kayo kumain kasi mukhang okay din naman yung mga pagkain nila dito. Diba? Uy, bango nun ah. Ito yung boat eh, so dapat doon ka nakakain eh. OMG mga parts, may section 4 pa. Hindi siya natatapos doon. Mayroon pa dito. I don't know, comment down below mga parts. Maybe it's a Sunday. Ang daming store talaga. Everything is here. Ang haba. Haba niya mga parts. Ang laki pa rin dito, no? Pero I think ito na yung pinaka-last na part. Dito naman, may mga gulay, prutas. Meron din dito native products. But of course, in the Philippines, we have that as well. Mga native products. And elephant pants. And fruits. Lots of fruits. So ito na yung last part mga pards ng isang napakahabang market full of majority are Thai cuisine. And yeah, ito na. I think wala naman na sigurong kasunod to. Oh my God. Ito na. Oh, ito na yan eh. Dapat dito yun, di ba? Kakain kayo dyan sa river. Like that. So mga parts, we're done with the floating market. But yun nga mga parts, expectation versus reality. Yung floating market is very konti lang. Ito lang siya. And then bababa talaga kayo to buy kung ano yung gusto nyo or to eat. I'm not sure lang because this is our first time for the floating market. If the actually the other floating market is ganun yung setup. But yeah, for the experience, we also enjoy this one. And to be honest, madami talagang options. But yung price, I'm not sure kung mas mura siya or mas mahal. But after this one, mga parts, we're going to the mall na, magsha-shopping na kami, to Pratunam naman. But yun nga guys, if you want to experience floating market that is near in Bangkok, you should try this, or you can actually try this. So let's go.